If you're into dropshipping, one of the most important aspects to being successful in the space is having an outstanding website. Hey guys, my name's Daniel and I'm from Verpex, and today I'm going to be teaching you a bit about creating your own dropshipping website. Dropshipping entails having an online store where you sell and ship products directly to your customers from your supplier. With dropshipping, you aren't required to hold any stock, which makes the process of starting up way more affordable and more convenient. Running a dropshipping store doesn't require as many costs as running a traditional store would. They are relatively easy to set up and you can run the entire business from home. It's simple to manage and allows you to be fully flexible with your time. Nowadays, dropshippers are actually making a lot of money. It still requires hard work and lots of effort, but many individuals are making a killing off of their dropshipping websites while they sit at home on their couch. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys what you need in order to create a successful dropshipping website for yourself. First of all, you're going to need a place to display your product, such as a website. One of the fastest ways to launch a dropshipping website is by using a content management system, a website builder, or an e-commerce platform. The website will be used to direct potential customers, sell your products, and process payments. Some popular e-commerce platforms are Woocommerce and Shopify. You don't have to be a designer or a developer in order to use these platforms. Next, you're going to need a domain name. A domain name is the main part of the URL address of your website. This will be a phrase, word, or name that you decide to represent your site itself. A domain name will help new or returning customers find your website without being given it directly. At Verpex, we provide a free domain name with our hosting plans that I'll have linked down below. To see if your domain name is available or not, you can use our tools on Verpex that I'll also have linked below. Next, you're going to want to start focusing on your website structuring, planning, and content. In order to make your website effective and high converting, you'll need to display correlating content to the product that you're offering, which will ultimately make any potentially interested customers more incentivized to make the purchase. Other types of content that website owners focus on is blog posts or even videos. Just remember, there should always be a goal or next step your audience should take after consuming your content displayed. Now we're going to be talking about the payment feature. Your website will need a payment gateway in order to receive transactions and money for the product sold. Payment gateways are in control of securing any conversions by allowing the customer to pay and having that transaction transferred to you safely. They usually have a small fee involved while doing this. Some great payment gateways that you should consider for your website are PayPal, Stripe, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Once you have all these points in mind, you are now ready to go ahead and make your very own dropshipping website. Thank you for watching, and remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you guys in the next video.